Traction Ag helps me thrive because I stay more caught up on my book work, and so I can do other things in my life that I enjoy and that need done. Even if I would arrive at good data, it took too long to get it and I didn't have it when I needed it to make crucial marketing decisions. And so that was the motivator, was to try to bring the information together to be able to harvest data and make good decisions in a timely fashion in a real life timeline. One of the powerful things about Traction is that, unlike QuickBooks, it actually has a full system that integrates accounting with our real-time field records. It brings our data together in one database so that we can make good financial decisions based on real-time production. We use Climate Field View for our planter and sprayer and yield mapping records. And so there's a lot of good information there that I couldn't translate well before to financial information. And the import queue feature of Traction is definitely one of my favorite time-saving and actually accuracy features of the whole system of Traction. Once you learn to navigate, the reporting just gives you very good information very quickly and easy to understand. As we've entered this challenging marketing time with lower commodity prices, it has really helped me make confident marketing decisions in real time with real financial data. The fact that Traction is an independent company, that the leadership, there are people you can get to know and ask questions from, is a tremendous positive to me. Traction saves us a minimum of 4 hours a week, which frees up time for deer hunting in the fall and things like that.